Because your personal man and Kenya Braboni, Votarians, I'm from Akachi, but me free Akachi, right?
Okay.
But I see one of the ungrateful people what Ghana are Votarians. I'm telling you. Hey, me free Akachi. I know, sir, when Akachi Sectec.
Yes, Akachi Sectec, say NPP.
Akachi Sectec, yes,
or something like that.
Yes, Akachi Sectec. Na a day school. Na do any free senior high. Na a day school. In fact, time I day school. Na school population in na 500, just 500. And no crown any pine any sika na wako.
Yeah, I remember there was a report say every time we go school na go phone go school cry.
Because when you know the reason why. Just a sika crowd, you better be near the school.
Oh, okay.
You saw school no on ya on ana o console over just say on yes can call. And in another buy and obey implement free senior high school no. And was steady ya no says school no. And location is very good. And you know, mayan boarding school.
Yeah.
And I will see in fast boys dormitory, girls dormitory, science laboratory, computer lab, what have you. And I will see heavy infrastructure of school more. Me no can say vice. So who school money or say university.
I know that.
School population. Yes, school population grow and then 3,000 from 500 to 3,000.
Wow.
But you know what? The most painful aspect of this issue is that you're too abano. But time and another cry, you're better. No, almost have to a bit here NPP abai.
Microphone no.
Is it so? When him simply because Fifi go to about a wabe catcher almost say, Omunfa NDC ni say a yomo religion. Say omuye bi papa mo mo, omanye bi papa mo mo. Omun fan say your religion. No one to about and farmer NDC. The voice when me buy agent say MP so more free Ashanti region. Any MP so more free Volta region in northern region. No. One more constituents, any pressure to almost so paya, more free Akan enclave, no Ashanti region, Eastern region.
Share, I'm more gabao. Share. They know what give you gabakra.
To the extent say, bro, Oko Ashanti region, the way Nanado and develop Ashanti region, pano, but because say Yancy interchange your Ashanti region, you know, obviously Nanado anya.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, sir, in the history of Ashanti region, no government be any why you acquire Ashanti region, Nanado Kufuado. But see, they are still putting pressure on the MPs and say because of say woman to me lobby am yen see swami interchange ntino o ma nya by go to Volta region is vice versa. Upon all say those infrastructure, basic infrastructure say kwai suku adan hospitals in Sio MPP abana yema omono still go vote against MPP. That is the reason why me say Votarians, we are the most ungrateful beings in this end.
I think you are right. I agree with you on this one.
So, what I'm saying, they are not. Nobody's complaining. So, then MP, I can't MPs, no. Omucha troubles, omucha mattress, no. What is what be complaining? What is the vote and being complaining?
Sir, omu areas man now mukikamba omu to be back out TV so.
No. See, northern region, omu complaining. Volta region, complaining. But Ashanti region, nipa ba koye no. Other people nyina so yebi because one nya yebi say na MP we ye asafo ye now they won ye. You see, we can over Greater Accra so Mama Gloria wa yebi. Ana we jagba we MP no Jerry Ahmed aye. So MPs are doing it. But Votarians are not doing it because they know, say, whether they do it or not, the people still vote for them. So they don't care.
That's same being.
What do you say? Yeah. So no, my brother, Votarians, I don't know sending Yanko Pomboy. Me my for. Me making sure, say, metati or more, say, yeah, those kind of ungrateful, subanebi room. Oh, yeah, there. Okay, yes, we are so sorry, and all cassette for. But you see, the reality is that votarians mentia said that say to Obama NDC because voice me say who the voter region who the monumental project be NDC ayama or voter region ebi ni ho this US university na o ma si no na do dan kwakofo de dia na western ho no it's 5 times bigger than the NDC.
Say last me posted drone view no on my page so. Say me try and post on page.
Yes, it's 5 times bigger than the NDC president Miss no John Mahama see here no.
John Mahama is issue in Pajoa. John Mahama is issue. President.
Go to Akachi this thing, Akachi training college. Go to the campus. Question Diana and NPP abaye siamomo. Go to all the institutions of voter region. Go to Katasco. Go to all the schools. Question infrastructure and anado. It's NPP abaye siamaye. And so you the ballot boxes, ballot paper, ballot box ekosiwa. These people will still vote for against NPP. Why? Why, man? People I thought that you did yaw.
Yes, Samuel.
And you know, I better say you've grown votarians. You better change your argument. Now you to me to Obama new patriotic party NDC. Minamia dakwana tigling party alo miya to beto. NDC to ba miya tepejiji. What the miya boyo tepejiji? Madakuku nami. Minamia hamia nyabatare development ya chukwana check danako. And this if I do me since 1992 almost 36 years in Katutu wanemi. Mo wana kenemi o mi ablam. What do me aji hu mi afa mo blam na tie jako and mi aboye achafo ti mi afa ho pakle mi afa agloda. Kaka still na patro mi agba na koda mi ga dako na NDC. Madakuku na mi na mi atro jima ni mi adako na chiglinyi party a. Achako over blame mi beta chiglinyi party a bluto party onya. Wacho onya. Wacho do mi blame. A chiglinyi party nya party a kenyi mi hogbato mi afa party. Yenye kolio for party. Yenye hiato for party. Tamina mi adako na chiglinyi party a. No, Russell me that say. Me that say.
Thank you so much for coming through.
Yeah.
Right. Mama Tina, Akwaba. Yes.
The voice makes you every.
You so mommy, your pesca got touch your boss ever voter region why na your MP so mumboy.
In your show, the moon here. Troubles with the Ben, I see one more day.
Any troubles? You can have you ever. There be MPs no more to go. Or much.
I'm more hopa. Say, near Moshe Sherman Saka. Oh, Uncle Tom Pepper boss will be Namon Panko. Yeah, mun here troubles will be a. Say, Mono no share, ya mode, seven prejudice, and what is a preco, ye move Jarmo crown, Sanapotum.
Yes,
Makuma, Efriho. Na, near media by Yanino, Nikuni NPP ni, Yabusian NPP for, but only the store or NDC. And she said, sometimes my friend will be say, the part. Dear pa ni bunya free NDC or see me nya so ya be party. So
ana Antitina ana ebia UP4 before NPP the UP and Koda were there no adema ye yenkofo bibiana.
Yeah, say ya nya omo hwe na say you like say I don't know. Who say ade bia wo pe no wa hu. Ope ni omo di be yo bia onfa ho. So, she said, me say me pay MPP. Me no me want.
Runs neti enti ya omudi.
Runs neti ya kran po ye shekura na ayi wo ho akoya na Rollins ku ni nka okoye ku a so no to free ho. So hu. Sa jiwa. Se jiwa free ho. Oh. Se
jiwa is an ordinary.
Dabio.
Jiwa. Okay.
Yeah. Say Juwane on ni papa bene
akatapori or whatever.
And you omo nyina see so no ye MPP one until but still Lawrence intino omo pe Lawrence asema ye nim adekora ne Lawrence de ma omo so wahu nti chase ade bi wo ho na esombo ma wa nipa agi afiru nsam a eyi o enye o ompese obagi afiru nsam so wahu enti mi assure say bia eduru ha mba beto boss ni bia mamo mba beto bia mamo enti sese ne eye mmra eye say muhu say mo di NDC achi mo jimi omo de mo ye mo te say niema bebre
mo buye
be omo because te say ebeduru ha na omakoto mo na omakoye se na omo de abre mo kware nye mo we nye mo hwe Akufo Addo ne obeye ma mo ema asantefo kura nyatane wo Akufo Addo abane ewo ho enso we bia mo ni nso mato aba agency masane eye niema bebre enti sese na ese mo hu sese mo pempuntum ayi pa dia mo nchenyi mo nsa
right
na omontem ase na sese menya sure say se mo amto aba ma NPP na NPP ba NPP omo be for mo ho adwene
and the enukrepa
omo be for mo ho adwene
na makodi
nothing say bebe ya
Mami, me cry the makase next 4 years. The voter for and to about my MPP. Any government project we are my for voter region. I swear. Never.
President bi akra betimi aka say ana say you only say moto ma mo or you kra yemia mo because it's too much ne mo dey too much sometimes me to prove say Emma upa say upa parents na witimi kasa against the NDC ne dey wow nti o dey you know my why na yesere mo kasa chiro mo na yensu yehu ne yebeye ndawa
that's mommy yo mami bremu na person yensem ntentem na mintimi pontem wa enti be call friend say honorable Ken asema okai but yen voter dey answer
school no ho kakla bi
yeah mommy go ahead go ahead mommy
the American one say voters mumu hiahwe enti mo fa besa mu hiahwe
so ya asemba munya botre aden
nya botre because mu ye serious amani abele Baumia Becachem, pineapple, Baumia Becachem say, why you in sway a come who in Uncle Bay a year to swam. And then yana cocumuncule. Young Clay away, now what you can know, more wretched. Chesamun go do NDC, be a messiah, na me sharp blonya, me railway. And near ma hospital, Akufo Addo, a big good Kumasa for sale. Akufo Addo anya shekra na wan Ashanti region. And wo ye hospitals na time so wow. Here wa hospital we nyina wa Ashanti region. That was still cry no. Voice Ashanti region say Akufo Addo anya shekra. Na mo te honom. Mo de pass back ko achi. You cry no for no cry so one pass wa chan mo. Omo kwa do mutimi se sam nsa no. Last time 2020 elections so omo ne ye chen. Yenya MPs there na ya certain correct me what you say it's not for na ya chen votelia for 10 times votelia for the margin dey too much we need there most mo plan market no development she free chronomuma he Akufo Addo time nsuo fan crop there twese de okujeto no mbe dede danse nsuo de fa wo take kasabi because one buy or power into one cash. Now not for a voters at Koma North. Omo Kasa or social media crying a ya name mobile. That the NPP a dear with Kumase, Ashanti region. As someone you know more vote earlier honor. One you know who. There be a yana moko ye see a way developer. Yay, Ashanti regiment, a developer 1,000 times Chambukro, Mohonum. It's in the Morankasa Munye serious, and now a Yidian gift Chidian and American Kakra. Or not so no was not Diane Nayene, the son inside by now, Banadoma Fanafala, because us na ye, Jumama, by now by power, then some, and try to tell so that Ejapadia one, into almost case it be a worker to be unburied. They say so mind here, they are glad out for tomorrow 15 years. And almost our in case when to know about Muhammad because Muhammad a judge, Supreme Court judge, and Casa, where you need Into no rain and a bay and a dent me there. Kakra make and some chrome for the mammon's mom, my patch of me and some doctor saw berry. Now, more dear, maybe I am she ain't. Kakra make and
Mate. All right. My brother from Why East Bremuna, Yanko, Obapa Ona Yanko, Uncle Ken Suna Yanko. Yeah, why is?
Yes,
a rap out.
the voice. It's good evening
Yeah,
to you and then your cherished listeners.
yeah. Welcome, my brother. You
Can
are
you
doing
hear
well
me
with the
well?
communication.
You know,
You are doing well with the communication. Keep it
hello?
up.
Thank you very much. And
Mm.
the good people of Afterwards appreciate you for always being on this street, trying to, bring what people don't know into the bed or into
Thank you.
the public space for people to appreciate what is happening.
I
I
appreciate you,
think
bro.
we must commend you for that. Yes. I think that the first topic laid for discussion happens to be a home matter. If my listener was telling me that because I saw your notification that you were online and then I decided to join and then see what you have on table.
Yeah.
But then what I would say is that those regions and constituencies who are always or who are bent at voting for the NDC when they know that usually they benefit more from the NPP more than the NDC. I think it's high time that we call them out and let them know that what they are doing will only bring down their development than promote their development. Why do I say this? If you keep voting for a particular party who doesn't have your interest at heart, the other party that was helping your development, thinking that you might change along the line, will be forced to, move away or migrate away from your constituency or your region.
Yeah, that's where
And
we
I
are
think
headed.
that yes, and I think that those communities or those constituencies and regions have to take the back seat, look at what is happening, and change their voting pattern, or else they will face the consequences going forward. That is what I have to say about that. In fact, I forgot of something very important that I need to add, or that I needed to say before my submission. His Excellency, the former Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, is in his day two of his formal campaign tour to engage with decision-making people in the new patriotic party so that, and then grassroots, not only decision-making people, but those who are also in the party and they are the grassroots doing a whole lot for the party. He is keen to engage these people, get the mood of the party, and see whether, and also feel the pulse at the grassroots level. And I'm sure
Yeah.
that that has been confirmed from the first day. Yesterday, all those who monitored what happened around his campaign, you will come to terms or you will agree with me that the party base is ready, the party base is making to be fired up, and then they are ready to work for the new patriotic party come 2028 or going into the 2028 election. And I am sure that His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Domia is the
All right.
overwhelming family.
Thank you so much.
Everybody, yes, everybody says that he is the right man to lead the new patriotic party into victory if we want to gain or recapture power anytime soon. So for me, having said that, I think that Upper West region is one of those constituencies who is behaving in that funny manner. I'm telling you, if not because of the NPP, there are some major projects in the region here that would not have come to see the day of light if not because of NPP. Because if you take the regional hospital here, for instance, if His Excellency the former president Kufuor had not remembered Upper West, NDC wouldn't come to meet a project that is about to take place and then continue to get it finished.